Anthropic has offered a voice mode through Claude last year, allowing users to speak to its chatbot instead of writing out your prompts. And while it worked well enough for simple questions, the voice mode struggled with more complicated requests. But now, Anthropic is fixing that complaint. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The voice mode can now turn to the company's Sonnet and Opus models for help. If you've paid for its access, the tool will default to the last system you used for text chat. You can also switch between Haiku, Sonnet, or Opus mid-conversation through the model picker. Anthropic says voice mode uses the fastest version of whichever model you've selected, so the conversation runs smoothly. Plus, voice mode can now pull context from connected apps such as Gmail, as long as Claude has permission to do so. The voice mode uses a turn-based architecture, so all interactions will see Claude listen to you, pause to think, and then respond. It's not like OpenAI's new GPT Live system, which can simultaneously process speech and generate an input. And that should make talking to Claude feel less natural than ChatGPT. Plus, Claude's voice mode can't automatically detect the language you're speaking in if you decide to switch languages mid-conversation. You need to either tell it out loud you're about to switch, or select the language you're about to speak in from the voice settings menu. Anthropic said, this release is focused on intelligence and tool access. We're continuing to invest in voice, and we'll have more to share later this year. Anthropic is rolling out the updated voice mode in beta to all users across its desktop and mobile apps, as well as web client. If you're using Claude through a free account, Anthropic will limit you to a single connection, and your prompts will all go through Haiku. Though you can speak to Claude in all the languages voice mode supports. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.